Okay, so this problem wants you to solve the system by elimination. And when I'm looking at this, I think it would be easier to get rid of the y's first because they're already opposite signs. One's a plus and one's a minus. So that's going to be my choice. And I can't get my eraser to work very well. There we go. Okay. So, since I've got, a 0.7 and a -2, all I'm going to do is multiply the top equation by the 2 and the bottom equation by the 0.7. Okay, so on the top one, when I distribute the 2 times the 0.2 x would be a 0.4x, and then 2 times the 0.7 would be a plus 1.47 equals, and then 2 times the 2.9 would be 5.8. And now I'm going to multiply by the 0.7. 0.7 times 5 would be a 3.5x. And 0.7 times a -2 would be a minus 1.4y. And that's what we're trying to get right there, so that the y's will cancel out. And then 0.7 times 14 would be 87, 28, 98, so 9.8. Okay, I'm questioning my math skills right now because I'm tired. So 0.7 times 14 is, there we go, 9.8. Why was I questioning myself? I don't know. All right, so we draw the line, and those are going to cancel out. And so these two, when you add them, that's going to be 3.9x. And again, those cancel, and then here's your equal sign. And then when I add these two, I get 15.6. All right. And now to get x, you would take the 15.6 and divide it by a 3.9 and get exactly 4. That's your x coordinate. And then to get your 5, all you're going to do is, let me get a different color here. How about green? You're going to take this 4 and you're going to plug it back into either this equation where x is or this equation where x is. It doesn't matter. I don't particularly like decimals, so I'm going to pick the bottom equation. I'm going to go with the 5 times x, and x is a 4, minus the 2y equals 14. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then I would subtract 20 on both sides so that that cancels. I get -2y is equal to -6, and then divide. -6 divided by -2 is a +3. So we're looking at the ordered pair 4, 3. And then I'm going to jump back to my math lab. And it doesn't want an ordered pair. It just wants x is 4 and y is 3. And bam. Good job. So that was it. That is one way to do elimination. The other way is to eliminate your x's. And to eliminate the x's, I would probably multiply the top one by 5 and the bottom one by a -0.2. And it should still work. Hope that helps.